Welcome to my Garage Talk series. This is where we're going to be working on projects. We're going to have guests here. Who knows what's going to be rolling in here, but stay tuned. This is where it's all going to happen. Morning. Today on Garage Talk series, I'm knocking out a few more things on the list. I went ahead and took the old, well, basically the old pump was off, fuel pump. So what I did was I put the old one back on, I shimmed it. I'm hoping that'll help. I don't know if it's just pushing out too much pressure and it back feeds and kind of leaks out maybe through here. It looks like it's kind of leaking on all parts of the carburetor too. So we'll see. I went ahead and changed the coil. I put another, I don't like chrome, but I had a chrome flamethrower coil, so I put that on there, attached that. I also have spark plug wires, so I'm going to go ahead and put those on while I'm here. So I'll start on that. I had 8mm wires on here before, but just going with 7mm on here now. I don't think it's going to really make a big difference. I don't have a big motor or anything in here, so stock is good. We'll start pulling them off individually, and kind of sizing these up. Okay, so it's going to be one of these. It's both the same. Small one. See, next one. These will be a little tough. I had issues trying to feed these through before. There we go. Alright, so some doing the longer ones. Let's see if I got maybe the same size ones a little longer, I think. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got. This one right here. Okay. Looks like a little corrosion there, so I'm gonna grab a little grinder. Not a grinder. A little file here, and we're gonna go ahead and see if I can clean up a little bit. Yeah, that looks better. Perfect. All right. Last one is the coil. And through here. All right. Okay. Next, make sure all the contacts look good. The cap looks real good, so I'm not really worried about that. No cracks. I've replaced the cap before. There's a black one on here. I didn't like the color of it, so I just figured I'd change this. All right. Okay. Well, that part's done. Oops. Get my little connector pieces here. See if I can pop that there. It's a little loose on these, being the other ones are 8mm, but maybe that might hold them a little bit. We'll see, not a big deal. Okay, perfect. All right, so we did put the pump back on. I shimmed it. Hopefully that'll relieve some of the extra pressure. I think it's putting out extra pressure. Just the last carb I had an issue. I think it put too much pressure in. I think it was having an issue with the needle valve sticking and everything like that too. It is really leaking out of the carburetor, the last carburetor as well. So we'll kind of see. I see fuel marks all around the corners here on different levers and connections here on the bowl. So we'll see. Hopefully that'll be okay for now anyway. Coil replaced, new wires, cap cleaned up a little bit, so that should be good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.